How to use Tabby as a payment method in Noon. Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to use Tabby as a payment method in Noon. So let's get started. First open Noon application, then browse your product which you want to buy. Okay, you have to order minimum 100 dirham for use Tabby as a payment method. Okay, so select your product, then click on add to cart. Okay, then view cart, then click on checkout. Okay, from here scroll down, you will see many payment method. Just click on Tabby. Now you can see Tabby has been successfully selected as a payment method. Just click on slide to order. Okay, then your order will be confirmed. So that's it for today's video. If you think this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe to my channel.